Imagine transforming all those long videos you've already made into a stack of attention-grabbing verticals without shooting a single new thing. Doing this properly saves you a ton of time while funneling people right back into your full-length episodes. I'm walking you through a few ways to do this, starting with the easiest phone method, right inside the YouTube app. You open your channel, pick the long video, tap the share area, and select the option to edit into a short. Heads up, this only works on your own uploads. But once inside, you use the handles to select the exact start and end points. The new split screen feature lets you stack dual camera angles, so both host and guest look great in that portrait frame. After that, you add captions, a quick title, maybe a sticker or two, and you have a native short built without leaving your phone. Doing everything on your phone is fast, but you lose control if you want faster batching or smarter recommendations for which segments to pull. First desktop tool, Descript, has a feature called Find Good Clips that reads your transcript and suggests usable short-form highlights. I love that it shows the transcript for each suggestion, but it isn't always the fastest for bulk repurposing, or if graphics are already baked in. Next up is CapCut's desktop app, where their AI Clip Shorts tool will process a full video and surface a batch of ready-to-publish vertical clips automatically. But CapCut trips because its caption placement often looks optimized for TikTok, which can cause the UI to hide your text on Instagram Reels or Facebook. Which brings us to Vizard, because this is where the entire repurpose workflow gets significantly less annoying by doing the heavy lifting automatically. Vizard analyzes attention moments to auto-edit viral clips, and the auto-schedule feature queues up posts so you don't have to babysit the calendar. It keeps everything in one place with a content calendar where you preview, tweak, and schedule clips across all platforms from a single dashboard. Now for 3 ways to use shorts to get more views. First, the clip and drive method with a tight tease and a fast call to action to hit play on the full episode. Next, create native teasers by recording a fresh summary. And finally, remix older quotes, react to them, and point viewers back to the original content. To wrap up, Vizard ties it all together for scaling, repurposing. So, like or comment if this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video working harder.